Yeah, so welcome to a second video. um this is my YouTube channel, Solomonia, and this is weekend farming for food and for income. So what I do is, this is a natural vegetable. It's a cabbage, so I'm mixing it up with some cucumbers and some greens. So this is what I'm going to give my ducks for them to eat. So I'm making it easy for them by grinding this to little pieces. So I'm going to feed it to them. They love it so much. This is like their appetizer before they start to eat. So they love eating this a lot. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to pour it into their feeding troughs and then give it to them. So stay tuned. This is part of the feeding techniques that I use to feed my birds and to keep them warm, healthy, and growing fast. So I think giving them natural feeds is not that profitable, and also it's not healthy enough because most of these natural feeds are not properly made. So vegetables are also very healthy and good for them. So I encourage you guys who are into farming, who wants to go into farming, to always have this at the back of your mind, that these vegetables are necessary for the survivors of your birds. Okay, so don't forget. What are you doing? Okay, so guys, look at how they're rushing. Look at how they're rushing.